How to change mouse sensitivity in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to adjust the mouse speed or sensitivity, you want to open up the settings by right-clicking on the start button and then open up the settings window. And then you want to click on devices or Bluetooth and devices for Windows 11. And then click on the mouse on the left side. And then you want to scroll all the way down in Windows 11 and click on additional settings, or on Windows 10 click on additional mouse options on the right hand side, and it should open up the same window right here. And then from here you want to click on pointer options tab, and you can see under the motion here a slider to basically configure the pointer speed, where if you go to the left it's slow and if you go to the right it's fast. So you want to adjust it accordingly. And you can check this box at the bottom to enhance the pointer precision if you want to. And once you finish, press apply and OK to apply these changes. And keep in mind that if you have a mouse that provides a software to adjust these things, it might actually override these settings. So for example, if you have a Logitech mouse like me, you would basically need to install or have the Logitech G Hub software, which you can basically use to adjust the sensitivity and the speed of the mouse, basically by clicking on your mouse right here and adjusting the DPI speeds however you want. You can have different profiles that you can apply, and your mouse might also have buttons to adjust the DPI speeds accordingly. So you can basically adjust or assign which buttons increase and decrease the DPI, or you can have a fixed DPI from this software. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.